Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by identifying clear symptoms. The system fails post, shows beep codes, or the operating system reports memory errors or random crashes. Power down, unplug, and ground yourself. Use an ESD strap rated for 10,000 volts or touch metal to discharge static before touching components. Record module labels including DDR41, 2V or DDR41, 35V, and capacities like 8 GB with power removed and grounded, release the retention clips and remove each RAM stick. Inspect gold contacts for oxidation and reseat each module firmly until clips click. Test by inserting one module at a time into the primary DIMM slot to isolate a bad stick and boot. Repeat for every stick and slot combination. Use a can of compressed air and a soft anti-static brush to clear dust from DIMM slots and contacts, avoiding liquids and metal tools. If reseating fails, run memtest86 from a USB drive or Windows Memory Diagnostic and execute at least 2 full passes to detect intermittent errors. Enter BIOS and verify memory voltage and timings. Disable XMP or manual overclocking and set default JEDEC timings if instability persists. If a module fails testing, replace it with a matching spec stick, same DDR generation, voltage, and similar density, or file an RMA with the vendor if under warranty.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.